Welcome back to Design Beauty by Cat, you guys. And yes, we have a little friend. She refuses to move. So she's been there since the last video. I'm just going to leave her alone. You know, it's better to just go with the flow and not fight. Okay, we're not trying to fight today. We all want to live. Just let me live my life. That's what she says. Today, you guys, we've got a boxy charm. Yep, I almost thought it wasn't gonna come in. I almost did. I was a little worried, but yeah, this is for the month of July. I have not got my premium box in yet, and you guys want to hear something even more crazy? I still haven't got my June Ipsy. So yeah, in case you guys are wondering what happened to June Ipsy, Cat, you know, like we're waiting on that review. I never got it, so I'm waiting on the review too, so we can wait together. Okay. Boxy Charm's the star of the day today, and we're gonna see what we've got. We're not gonna hesitate, we're gonna bust on in here. First thing we've got, a wonderful month of July, which is my birthday, July, so that's even more special. Of course, we're gonna have a gorgeous, beautiful summer look with limes and water and everything else. Of course we are. Thank you, Boxy Charm, for making my month special. This is called Sunshine. We're all about the sunshine, you guys. Yes, yay. And in case you guys are wondering if I look the same, I do. This is my birthday look. So if you guys haven't seen that video, stop what you're doing. Go check it out. Don't be lazy. And then come back here and join us for the fun. So if you're new to my channel, I always read the products when I pull them out, and at the end I do a little rundown with everything, give you the prices, so this way everything's all good and golden and we're all happy. We get the info we want, and hopefully we like the video. That's all I can say. That's all I can ask for. Oh, did I tell you guys what variation I got? I got variation 33 right here. That does mean that there's 33, well, I don't know. There could be more. Sometimes there's like 50 or something. But that means how many variations of makeup products are mixed in the box. So I don't have the same products in my box like number 32. So that's how that goes. That's a variation. So anyway, let's stop dilly-dallying and let's see what the first thing is in the box. Oh, hey, I'm actually happy about this. This is a little color switch. I've never had one. Can you believe that? I've never had one. I know that you're supposed to use this to clean your brushes off. And to me, that's wonderful because I need to clean my brushes quite often. So it's like a little rough sponge here. And the directions back here say to remove previous color, swirl brush around the pad in circular motion. Removes darker as well as bright shadows quickly without the use of water. Used with face and eye brushes. Can be used daily without harming the bristles of your brush. Sponge is reusable. Simply wash with your favorite cleanser, allow to air dry, and return it back in the container. So that is pretty neat, you guys. So it does feel pretty tough. So it means business. It feels like, you know, like a loofah that you would use to scrub yourself. Let's see if it cleans a brush. You just get one of your brushes and you kind of just swirl it around in circular motions, and it'll clean off the brush for you. This way you don't got to go wash it right away, you know, every other day. I did just actually clean all my brushes, and it took me about 2 hours. This is 1/4 of my brushes, okay? So I have like 4 cups of these. Still, once a week is a good time to clean your brushes, but you can just do this in between applications. So that's great, wonderful. Never had one. I'm actually really happy to have it. This sponge comes in and out as they mentioned, and you can wash it, dry it, and then pop it right back in here. It's basically like a loofah. It's really it. So if you guys don't have one of these, go get you a loofah, cut it up, and pop it in a tin. There you go. Simple things in life make me happy. The Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner is $17. Next product do we have in the box? Oh, another Grace and Stella item. So I did actually get this brand last month. I got those masks, and I did give one away in my giveaway. So these are for the eyes. It says it's like an energy drink for your eyes. And the other one said an energy drink for your face. So that's pretty neat. They got a little slogan going on. Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle Energy Eye Mask, 12 pairs. Suffering from dark circles, puffy eyes, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes? I am sometimes. Yes, how did you know? Perk them up as if you just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They revitalize, rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and more youthful. Well, after turning 41 a few days ago, the hell if I want to look more youthful? You're doggone right I do. Yes. Thank you, Boxy Charm. We're gonna go ahead and get into here and just see what these guys look like. I can't actually put one on right now because, well, I mean, you see what I got going on. Got a lot going on. Oh look, so they're individually packed. So that is pretty neat. So what I'm gonna do, you guys, is put one of these in a giveaway for you guys. So one of you guys can enjoy these. I'm at like 281 or 282. I had 283 and then 2 people left me. Why did you leave me? What did I do wrong? I don't know. But so anyway, for those of you who do stick with me, well, this will go in a giveaway whenever I reach 300, okay? Maybe I'll put 2 in there because there's 12 of them. And I'm very sharing and I'm very giving. So you should have stuck with me, you know? I mean, now you guys that left me, you don't even know how nice and sweet I am. Moving on. So these are $21, so that's not too bad, you guys. Hope they actually do rejuvenate the eyes like they're supposed to. So we'll let you know about that. The next thing I got in here, what is this? Oh, it is a setting mist. Well, that's wonderful. I don't actually have too many setting mists. This is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay, and I do have a couple things from this Everyday Vacay. I've got like their Everyday Vacay setting powder, their, what is it called? Setting powder? That's what it's called. What am I thinking? Here it is right here. Ooh, it's very nice. Ciate London does have really nice packaging, so that's pretty cool, you guys. This is what it looks like right here. It's like simple, but it's nice. You know what I mean? It's like elegant simple. It's sitting right here, kind of screaming at me. This is that Ciate London Everyday Vacay setting powder, just like this one. It's about $1. It smells like coconuts. Oh, guys, look, that's actually a pretty cool pump. I actually like that. It's pretty neat. I like it. I like it a lot. Might as well just spritz my face. Whoa. Those are some heavy dots. That's like rainbow. Whew. Well, it does smell like coconuts, so the scent is good. Anyway, it does have a really huge nozzle. It's not doing any good because they're really huge droplets, really big. So my joy kind of dissipated real quick, like it does in the air with this guy. It says, set and refresh your makeup with the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. Infused with coconut, this luminous ultra-fine mist. It's not ultra-fine. It's a lie. It's not. You saw it with your own eyes. Okay. Infused with coconut, this luminous ultra-fine mist holds makeup while micro pearls add a delicate glow over the skin. The delicate coconut scent and healthy glow takes you straight back to the beach. Well, that it does. So this guy is $22. Well, I was happy to see it. I was happy to open it. Everything was going great until I sprayed it. What does that mean? I don't know, but it's not on my happy list right now. Those droplets, you guys, are too heavy. It's not finely misted.
No. No.
It's really heavy misted. Yeah, more like heavy rain. So we're gonna move on, but it does smell good. It does smell good. Maybe I'll just like spray it from further away where it doesn't even land on me. We'll try that next time. All right, next thing in the box. I knew I was gonna get this because I did select it. So I got this right here. I did want to try it. That's why I wanted to make sure to get on there. This is the 111 or 111. I don't know how you say it. But it's just, you know, it's a bunch of ones and then it says skin. There it is. And this is the one for the pollution. It's supposed to help your face fight against the pollution that's in the air. You know, blue light in the air, junk in the air. Everything's in the air. Okay, you guys, everything's in the air out there and it lands on here. So this is supposed to help you fight against that like a little barrier. I know that because I've watched a lot of people talk about it. Well, let's just read this one. That's what it's for. Okay, all right. So on here it says, 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster. A daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. See, I told you. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. I told you that too. I didn't even need to read it. I'm on it today. The MSRP on this is $135. So that's another reason why I wanted to try it, because I'm never going to spend $135 on a damn thing like this. Never in my life. But it sounds amazing. It looks really cool. The packaging is nice and frosted. It's glass, you guys, so they mean business. Let's just pull this little dropper out. Let's just see this right here. Kind of gel-like. Yeah, it's like a gel consistency, which is that's neat though, you know, because you know it's gonna like adhere to your face and stick on there and hopefully do some good. That's the point of it. But it doesn't have like a scent. I don't actually smell anything out of this at all, and that's also a plus. I'd rather you smell like nothing than to smell something bad. Okay, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Last thing in the box, you guys, is actually pretty neat. This is the Pure Festival palette right here. The second palette that I'm gonna get by them. The first one I got was that Barbie one, and it was actually really pretty. And we're gonna get into this guy. There we go. I got it open. We're okay. But I'm gonna let you guys know something right now. I did get one of those Raw Beauty Kristi Pure palettes. It'll be coming out in like September, so keep your eyes peeled for that, okay? And you know what? Congrats to Raw Beauty Kristi. She is a really nice person. She has no idea who I am. I'm nobody to her. I'm like a little ant on the wall. That's it. But she is a very nice person, and I actually do, you know, resonate really well with her personality because I feel like I'm an older version of her, you know. So, but in my own way, because I'm in my own way. That's it. I'm a little quirky, but I do enjoy her quite a bit. I do watch her quite a bit, and I am actually really happy for her because she put so much work and so much effort for so many years into YouTube, and now she finally has her name on a palette with Pure. So you know what? Congrats, Kristi. I know you'll never see this video, but you know, just so you know, people out here, we appreciate you. And here we go. So we're gonna open up this guy right here, and this is what the palette looks like. Colors. Not bad, right, you guys? I actually love this pink and this peach. Those kind of colors just like suck me right in, you know, they just pull me right in. So I think they know that they do that, and they put it in there on purpose to like, hey, I see you, come over here, you know, like it. He talks all nice and he gets you over here and then he eats your head off. I hope they don't do that to me. Enough drama. These colors look really amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to swatch them for you, but I'm gonna do a little different. I'm gonna swatch them, I'm gonna take a picture of it, and then I'll show it to you. So I'm gonna pop it in right here. Did you like that? Did it work out? Yeah, I hope so. This is a really beautiful color, you guys. That's the one that I went like this in the video, and I did enjoy it. It actually has like a little iridescence color to it, so I'll just kind of like show it to you on my finger. Look at that. Hi, that looks so neat. So I'll be interested to try this palette out. Some of the colors didn't swatch so great, you know, it could have been a little better, but they didn't. But that's okay, because sometimes you have a bad swatch, but they go on the eye real nice. And this is vice versa. Sometimes you have a great swatch and you're like, oh my God, you're totally stoked. And then you go to put on the eye and it's so lackluster. You're like, you know what, get out of here. Did you even graduate? I don't know, go back to school. I'm actually happy to have that in the box. And the Pure does say, did I read it yet? I don't think I did. Let's look for that paper because I lose everything. Get into a state of intense euphoria with this shimmer infused 12-piece pressed pigment palette that instantly coats lids in dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded with striking, light reflective formulas, these cruelty-free pigments come complete with matte and transition shades. So don't forget about that. You want to always have a little variety in your eyeshadow palette. Not like that one Pat McGrath one that I have where it's just all shimmers and you're stuck with every single shimmer there is on the face of the earth. You don't have any mattes whatsoever. So I don't know if she has something against matte, but he's not in there. Anyway, you guys, this box really killed it for me. I mean, I'm really happy. I mean, killed it in a good way, except for Ciate London. The raindrops on the face. I don't know. I don't need a tornado going on my face when I already have it all nice and done. Everything else was really, really nice. Even that little switch, you know, brush cleaner. I'm really happy to have that. I mean, you guys might think I'm crazy out of all the products I got, but that is like really helpful because I do a bunch of eyeshadow looks. I always need to wipe my brushes off on a little paper towel. So I constantly have paper towels with me. You guys don't see that because I don't show you that, but I gotta wipe them off, you know, during application. So that little guy is gonna be so helpful. My guy is gonna be so helpful. Thank you, Boxy Charm. But lately, you guys, Boxy Charm really sends me really great products, and I'm waiting for premium to come in. But typically, I'm actually pretty happy with everything that comes in the box. There might be one item that I'm like, you know, but I mean, that's kind of everything because you can't please everyone. We're very difficult, you know, the human race. We're difficult. We have issues for no reason. We just pull issues out of the air to complain about. I personally know because once in a while I do that, but let's go ahead and do the rundown, okay? The 111 Skin, that nice booster that we got going on, I'm pretty happy about that because I want to fight diseases and, you know, products and pollutions and everything else in the air. That guy's $135, so that's pretty good. The Ciate London, I'm not too happy about having rain on my face, but that guy's $22, and I'm still glad I got it because I need setting spray. The Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 palette, it looks okay, it looks pretty, got some good shades going on, got really pretty iridescent shade, but the rest of them are, we'll see what happens with it. That's $36. The Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle Under Eye Mask, I'm still happy to have those because you know what, your girl's got some wrinkles going on, I want to take care of them. Those are $21. And the Lavish Quick Color Switch, which I'm really happy about because I'm so excited to be able to clean my brushes off, is $17. I'll give you the grand total right here. Give me a second to go get a calculator. You already know your girl can't do that shit in her head. Ready? Here it goes. That's how much it is, you guys. So isn't that awesome? You pay $25 and you get that much product in there. I mean, what more could we say? We could say it'd be great to have things sent in the month that they belong sent. Ipsy. We could say that, but we're not going to, because we're really happy with our products today. Don't forget, you guys, when I do hit that 300 mark, I'm close to it. Let's see what happens. But when I do hit it, I'm going to put 2. I decided, you know, right now that I'm going to put 2 of those little eye gel masks in the giveaway. Okay, you guys, because, you know, whatever I can get and I can share with you guys, it makes me happy. It really does, especially because you guys are so supportive. You guys are so great. I have the best subscribers ever. Y'all say really sweet things to me. So I appreciate you. And I really appreciate you subscribing. I really appreciate you sharing it. And I appreciate all the wonderful things that y'all tell me. It makes me smile. Yeah, okay. All right. So I hope you guys join me in the next one. I've got another video popping out for you guys. Ipsy did come in with the July box. So that will be probably the next video that you're going to see. If not, I don't know what the next one would be. All right, you guys, like and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, I just gave you guys a bunch of credit about subscribing. So don't make me look like a liar, you know, subscribe, push the button and like the video, okay? Because a lot of times I do teach you something. If you don't learn it, that's not my fault. I did teach it. So it's on you to learn it, okay? All right. Have you guys done something nice for somebody lately? If you haven't, try to do it. You know, give a friend a call, say, hey, how you doing? Ask your coworker how their day is going. Something simple, doesn't really matter, but just do something sweet for somebody, okay? I'll see you guys in the next one. I love all of y'all and have a happy week. Bye. So this is the Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner. And hold it right. So let's get this video started. This is the Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush. So this is the... I should have stopped and start the whole video over, because everything I've said is just completely baloney. It's just all a bunch of malarkey. It makes no sense whatsoever. Now let's open these up just to see. Here we go. We're getting started already. Can't open anything. There's no simple way. Can't they just have like a pull thing, you know, like it's just hanging, you just pull it and it just opens. Can we just do that, you know? Can we just do that? Can we? Stella Anti-Wrinkle is suffering from dark circles, puffy bags. Oh, I already read that. I already read it. Stupid. It's actually a problem. Forgetting everything. This is Ciate London Everyday Vacay Setting Powder. It's not a setting powder. It's not. What I'm doing this for is because those are huge droplets of, oh, all over my freaking camera. No. No. Did it mess up the camera? Can you still see me? Oh, okay. I don't like you. It says Ciate London Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. Set and refresh your makeup with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. That's too many times saying that. I'm going to cut that in half because it just sounds stupid. It just does. I don't have anything from Pure. So, you know, I was interested in trying their... Let me open this before I keep talking, because then you can't hear me because this shit's so loud, you know? Okay. Now we can talk. It's not for you. I didn't throw it there for you. Stop looking at it. Troublemaker. Wait a minute. I do have something from Pure. I have that Pure Barbie. Oh my God. Now I gotta take all that out of the video and redo this whole damn thing. Lord help me. Can't remember anything. I remember how old I am because I just turned it. So that's good. Come complete with the matte and transition shades. These cruelty-free pigments. I don't need to read on my channel. I should stop reading. I don't know when I lost the ability to read. I mean, it's a very simple thing to do, but not for me. Not for me.